Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, this is extremely advanced vocabulary taken from Dawn newspaper. So it will be very much helpful for all students and for all those candidates who are preparing for CSS, PMS or any type of job. Without to waste further time, let's start. Ascendant. The meaning of ascendant is Ghalba Pana Uruj Ghalib. Synonym of ascendant are rising in power, in the ascendant, on the up and up, on the way up, up and coming, while the antonym of ascending is declining. Incumbent means maujuda sarkari mulazim ohdedar. A synonym of incumbent is binding, obligatory, mandatory, necessary, compulsory, while the antonym of incumbent is optional. Sagacity means ghair mamuli zahanat, faham. Synonym of sagacity is wisdom, insight, intelligence, understanding, judgment, while the antonym of sagacity is stupidity. Nurture. The meaning of nurture are parwarish, tarbiyat, ghar bar chalana. Synonym of nurture are bring up, care for, provide for, take care of, attend to, while the antonym of nurture is neglect, hinder. Assess means अंदाज़ा लगाना, कीमत लगाना. Synonym of assess is evaluate, judge, gauge, rate, estimate, appraise, while the antonym of assess is help, assist, aid, neglect, give, guess. Worsen means battar hona, kharab. Synonym of worsen is aggravate, exacerbate, make worse, compound, aid to, intensify, while the antonym of worsen is improve, ameliorate, recover. Bludgeon. The meaning of bludgeon is danda ya sonta. Synonym of bludgeon is batter, cudgel, club, strike, hit, beat up, while the antonym of bludgeon is civilian. Educate. The meaning of educate is munasib, maqul, kafi. Synonym of educate is sufficient, enough, ample, requisite, opposite, appropriate, suitable, while the antonym of educate is insufficient, inadequate. Apathy means behesi, sangdili, murdadili. The synonym of apathy is indifferent, lack of interest, while the antonym of apathy is enthusiasm, interest, and passion. Galvanize means jasadkari karna, malma karna. Synonym of galvanize is jolt, shock, startle, impel, stir, while the antonym of galvanize is demotivate. Defunct means marhum, mara hua. Synonym of defunct is disused, no longer in use, unused, inappropriate use, non-functioning, while the antonym of defunct is working, extend. Brace means sahara, kasna, taqat bahash. The synonym of brace is support, shore up, prop up, hold up, buttress, carry, bear, strengthen, while the antonym of brace is tearing. Incur means kharaj karna, mol lena. Synonym of incur is suffer, sustain, experience, bring upon oneself, expose oneself to, run up. The antonym of incur is avoid. Impair means qadar kam karna, kharab karna. The synonym of impair are damage, harm, diminish, reduce, weaken, lessen, decrease, blunt, impede, hinder, while the antonym of impair is improve, enhance. Grim means sangeen, sakht, shadid. Synonym of grim are stern, forbidding, uninviting, unapproachable, aloof, distant, formidable, strict, door, while the antonym of grim are amiable, pleasant. Quarrel means jagda karna, ladai karna. Synonym of quarrel are argument, row, fight, disagreement, difference of opinion, while the antonym of quarrel is reconciliation, agreement. Lethargy means ghanudgi, behoshi, kahili, susti. The synonym of lethargy are sluggishness, inertia, inactivity, inaction, slowness, while the antonym of lethargy is vigor, energy, animation. Debris means malva. The synonym of debris is detritus, refuse, rubbish, waste matter, while the antonym of debris is variable, purity, neatness. Zeal means josh, ishtiyaq, walwala, lagan. The synonym of zeal are passion, zealousness, ardor, love, fervor, while the antonym of zeal is apathy, indifference. Essential means lazimi, zaruri, nagzir. The synonym of essential are crucial, necessary, key, vital, indispensable, needed, required, called for, requisite, while the antonym of essential is inessential, unimportant, optional. Accuse means ilzam lagana, kasurwar tehrana. Synonym of accuse are charge with, indict for, arraign for, to take to court for, put on trial for, while the antonym of accuse is absolve, clear, exonerate. Proliferation means phelau, namud. The synonym of proliferation is rapid increase, growth, multiplication, spread, escalation, while the antonym of proliferation is decrease. Ferocious means wahshi, khatarnak, zalim. The synonym of ferocious are fierce, savage, wild, feral, untamed, dangerous, while the antonym of ferocious is tame and gentle. Prudence means samajdari, danai, hushyari. The synonym of prudence are wisdom, judgment, good judgment, judiciousness, sagacity, shrewdness, while the antonym of prudence are fully, recklessness. Equivocal means mushtabeh, mashkuk, mutazad. The synonym of equivocal is ambiguous, indefinite, non-committal, vague, while the antonym of equivocal is definite, unequivocal. Incarcerate means qaid karna. The synonym of incarcerate is imprison, put in prison, sent to prison, jail, lock up, while the antonym of incarcerate is free, release. Arbitrary means khud mukhtar, sawabdidi, manmani. Synonym of arbitrary are capricious, whimsical, random, chance, erratic, unpredictable, inconsistent, wild, while the antonym of arbitrary are rational, reasoned. Periodic means gardashi, waqte se, dauri. The synonym of periodic are regular, periodical, at fixed interval, recurrent, recurring, repeated, cyclical and cyclic, while the antonym of periodic is episodic, unusual, unexpected. Distort means bigarna, tarod marod, कर पेश करना, मसख करना. The synonym of distort are twist, wrap, contort, bend, buckle, deform, malform, mishap, mangle, while the antonym of distort is straight. Vanquish means shikast dena, fatah pana, fatah karna. The synonym of vanquish are conquer, defeat utterly, beat, trounce, annihilate, trample over, win a reasoning victory over, while the antonym of vanquish are succumb, yield, fail, faint. Incriminate means mujrimana, ilzam dena. Synonym of incriminate are implicate, involve, blame, accuse, denounce, inform, against, blacken the name of, while the antonym of incriminate is absolve, clear. Cruelty means zulm o sitam, berahmi. The synonym of cruelty are brutality, savagery, savageness, inhumanity, barbarism, while the antonym of cruelty is mercy, compassion. Spur means oksani wali baat, mahmez. Was the synonym of spur are stimulate, incentive, encouragement, stimulant, stimulation, inducement, impetus, prude. While the antonym of spur are disincentive, disencouragement. Stipulate means मुकर्रर कर लेना, बयान कर लेना. The synonym of stipulate are specify, sit down, sit out, lay down, set forth, state clearly, demand, require, insist on, while the antonym of stipulate are retract, decline, refuse, revoke, disagree. Inauguration means iftitahi, agaz. The synonym of inauguration are initiation, institution, setting up, launch, establishment, foundation, founding, origination, while the antonym of inauguration are demise, winding up, closure. Determine means फैसला करना, तयन करना, इहाता करना, while the synonym of determine are control, decide, regulate, direct, rule, dictate, govern, while the antonym of determine are irresolute, weak-willed, pusillanimous. Peculiar means अजीब, अनोखा, निराला, खुसूसियत से. The synonym of peculiar are strange, odd, unusual, funny, bizarre, curious, weird, queer, uncanny, unexpected, while the antonym of peculiar are normal, ordinary. Embolden means हौसला अफजाई करना. The synonym of embolden are give courage, make brave, encourage, hearten, strengthen, while the antonym of embolden are dishearten, discourage. Bolster means तक़वियत देना, हौसला अफजाई करना. The synonym of bolster are strengthen, support, reinforce, make stronger, boost, fortify, give a boost to, prop up, while the antonym of bolster is undermine. Laurel means सरफराजी हासिल करना, फतह नसीब करना. The synonym of laurel are honors, awards, trophies, prizes, rewards, tributes, praise, plaudits, accolades, while the antonym of laurel criticism, disadvantage, dishonor, disrespect. Partisan means मुतासिब, तरफदार, हमराही. The synonym of partisan are supporter, follower, adherent, devotee, champion, backer, upholder, promoter, while the antonym of partisan are impartial, unbiased. Violent means पुरतशद्दुद, शदीद, ज़बरदस्ती. The synonym of violent are brutal, vicious, savage, harsh, rough, aggressive, bullying, threatening, terrorizing, while the antonym of violent are gentle, weak. Deprive means महरूम करना, बरतरफी. The synonym of deprive are dispossess, strip, divest, rely, bereave, rob off, cheat out of, trick out of. The synonym of deprive are invest, endow, compensate, enrich, supply. Vicious means shaitani, zalmana, naahal, fasik. The synonym of vicious are brutal, ferocious, savage, violent, dangerous, ruthless, remorseless, merciless, while the antonym of vicious are gentle, kindly, benevolent. Spew means उगलना, थूकना, तय करना. The synonym of spew are emit, discharge, eject, expel, bleach out, pour out, spout, while the antonym of spew are dribble, strain, brutal, seep, contain. Impediment means रखना, रुकावट, लखनत. The synonym of impediment are hindrance, obstruction, obstacle, barrier, bar, handicap, block, check, curb, break, while the antonym of impediment is benefit. Sagacity means गैर मामूली जहानत, समझ, फरास्त, faham. The synonym of sagacity are wisdom, intelligence, understanding, judgment, acuity, astuteness, while the antonym of sagacity is stupidity. Tenuous means barik, halka putla. The synonym of tenuous are slight, insubstantial, flimsy, negligible, weak, fragile, shaky, sketchy, doubtful, dubious, while the antonym of tenuous are convincing, substantial, strong. Decelerate is the opposite of accelerate. Decelerate means रफ्तार कम करना, आहिस्ता करना. The synonym of decelerate is slow down, slow up, slow, go slower, seize up, slack, while the antonym of decelerate is accelerate. Bagal means shubha, chonkna, shak hona, jajakna. The synonym of bagal are marvel, wonder, be astonished, be astounded, be amazed, be filled with amazement, while the antonym of bagal are ameliorate, better, enhance, help, improve. These vocabulary are very much beneficial for English student and for all graduate student, and especially for those who are preparing for GRE, IELTS, or for CSS and PMS synonym and antonyms. These vocabulary will be very helpful in reading Dawn newspaper and attending any type of test during your examination. So subscribe my channel for such type of more videos. I have already made few such type of videos, and very soon I will make more videos.